Welcome to Carl's Car Wash. I scored a big wad of bubblegum tonight. And best of all, there's no one around to stop me.
Isn't it a little too close to bedtime for sweets, Bubblegum Bandit?
The joke's on you, Midnight Moose. The bubblegum I stole is sugar-free. And speaking of free, I'm going to get away scot-free. Until we meet again, Midnight Moose. Talk.
Moosemobile, to me.
Uh-oh. It seems this has become a wild moose chase. I'll lose him in the old factory. I hate to burst your bubble, but it's time for me to pop out of here.
Drat, you got away. Moosemobile status.
87% of the Moosemobile is covered in an unknown substance. It will make driving very slow.
Just like a moose stuck in the mud.
If I may make a suggestion.
I'm all antlers.
Carl's Car Wash is nearby. From the 43 positive reviews I've gathered from Scrub Score, he's the best in the business.
Carl, huh? All right, Moosemobile, let's go to Carl's Car Wash.
A rabbit, a dog, and for my grand finale, a moose? Midnight Moose!
Good evening, citizen.
Golly, Midnight Moose, the hoofed crusader himself, at my car wash! What can I do for you?
I'm in pursuit of the dastardly Bubblegum Bandit, but I had an incident.
Gee willikers, Midnight Moose! Your Moosemobile is covered!
Yes, it's simply dreadful.
There's no time to lose. Every second the Moosemobile remains covered in this gunk, confectionery crime continues to corrupt the community. Can you clean me up?
Anything for you, Midnight Moose! Let's get started. What kind of vehicle are you driving? Is the vehicle a police car? The Moosemobile? Or a minivan? That's it! It's the Moosemobile! Now, let's see how messy it is. Is it a little messy? Medium messy? Or super duper messy? Super duper messy for a super duper hero! Let me see what kind of mess this is.
I wouldn't touch it if I were you. It may cause you to gain unnatural superpowers and become a super villain. Or worse, get sticky fingers.
Is it mysterious green ooze, chunky chowder, or sticky peanut butter? It must be mysterious green ooze. And finally, what size is this vehicle? Is it normal-sized, or is it big? I'd say it's a super normal-sized vehicle. That'll be tokens, Midnight Moose.
Crime doesn't pay, but I do by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. To the soap cave. Thank you, citizen. Your car washing services allow me to continue my sworn duty. Curbing candy crime. The city is in your debt.
Well, I don't know about all that. I was just behooved to get you cleaned up.
Shh! My moose senses are tingling. The Bubblegum Bandit is at it again. I must be off. Nice hat, by the way.
Wow! Oh, well, that was more than enough excitement for me. I'd better call it a night. Maybe one more shadow puppet. Let's try a moose. Is it like this? Or like this? Or... Oh, yeah! That's what it looks like.